In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print on Google Sites in just 5 minutes. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure you're able to print your Google site effectively. Whether you're printing a draft or a final version, these straightforward instructions will have you on your way in no time. Let's start with the first step. If you're viewing your unpublished Google site, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice the Publish button. However, what we're really interested in is the small drop-down arrow located right next to it. Go ahead and click on the arrow. This will reveal a few additional options that are crucial to preparing your site for printing. Once you've done that, you'll see an option labeled View Published Site. Clicking this link is important as it will direct you to the live version of your site or the version that will be accessible by others once it's published. This step ensures you are interacting with the actual content as it appears publicly, which is exactly what you want to print out. As you view the published version of your site, you're just one quick step away from preparing to print your page. This is the well-known keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on a Windows device or Command+P if you're using a Mac. This quick command opens your browser's print dialog box where you'll be able to customize the print settings to your liking. Now in this print dialog box, you'll want to pay attention to the destination field. Here you'll find a drop-down menu that typically defaults to Save as PDF. However, if you're connected to a physical printer and want to print a hard copy, this is where you'll select your desired printer from the list. If your printer doesn't show up, ensure it's connected properly and your computer recognizes it. Once your printer is selected, take a moment to review other print settings like color options, page range, and number of copies. These options enable you to tailor the print job to your specific needs. Then, when you're all set with your preferences, go ahead and hit that final print button to get your hard copy. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through printing your Google site, avoiding common pitfalls by ensuring you are working from the published view and confirming your printer settings. With these steps, you'll be able to print anytime with confidence, whether for professional or personal uses. Thank you for joining me today, and happy printing.